Do you want any company which is going to give you a multi-bagger return in future? Well, today I am going to share with you such a company which is expected to do so. This company is named as Polycab India Limited. So let us discuss one by one about the fundamentals of this company. If we talk about the business model of this company, it is a market leader in cables and wires. Besides, it is also selling FMEG products. FMEG means fast moving electrical goods, which include electric fans, LED lights, luminaries, switches, solar products, etc. etc. In wires and cables, a variety of products are there as houseware, greenware, industrial flexible wire, speaker wire, etc. However, in cables, EHP cables, fire survival cables, optical fiber cables, jelly filled telephone cable, high voltage cable, etc. etc. It gets its 81% revenue from wires and cables and 11.5% from FMEG products. The company was incorporated in the year 1996 and the company has experienced management like Inder T. Jaisinghani as chairman and management director for last 25 years. Bharat A. Jaisinghani and Nikhil R. Jaisinghani as executive directors who have joined in the year 2012. The company has a market capitalization of 35,370 crores. The competitive strength of the company is its brand value and its diversified business. The top competitors of Polycab in wires and cables is KEI Industries and Finolex Cables, and in FMEG sector the top competitor is Havells India Limited. Volatility in the price of raw materials, that is commodities such as copper and aluminium, may also influence the price of the stock. The company is focusing on making high quality products along with rapid innovation which are energy efficient. They are also accelerated advertising and promotional efforts to enhance brand reach. The enhanced distributor pattern is also a good sign. As India is growing, the demand of wires and cables will be high and it would be a blessing for such companies. If we talk about the financials of the company, the net sale is increased by 11% CAGR in last 5 years. The net worth by 22% CAGR in 5 years. However, ROE has decreased a little in last year and ROCE has increased. The EPS has increased by 35% CAGR in last 5 years. The dividend per share has also increased by 42% CAGR in last 5 years. Again, the good sign is that the company has decreasing its debt to equity ratio. So there is no doubt that the financials of the company looks very good. The company has 23 manufacturing facilities, 52 warehouses and depots, 1 corporate office, 4 regional offices and 16 local offices. The company has a distribution network of above 55 countries all over the world. Overall, it's a good company and you must research on your own and take advice from your financial advisor before investing. Thank you and see you soon in the next video. Bye.